Perfect. Good review for what we just went over. Identify the valate papillae. Remember, valate, flying V. We're in the back of the tongue. The valate papillae are these taste papillae all right here. So letter C will be the valate taste papillae.
Which one?
C, valate, flying V. Identify the volate papillae. Remember, volate, the lateral aspect, the ridge right here on the sides of the tongue. Letter B, volate. Ooh, this person got it wrong. Okay, here we go. Put the gustatory structures in order from largest to smallest, macro to micro. Oh, they did it backwards. They did macro to micro. So largest to smallest, macro to micro. So your tongue is obviously the larger structure because that's going to house everything. Everything with taste has to deal with the tongue. So as we go from the tongue, we're going to go to the taste papillae. Remember, filiform, fungiform, volate, and valate. Macroscopic, we can see. We can see without a microscope, we can see without a microscope. Now we transition into microscope or microscopic structures. So within the taste papillae, we're going to have the taste buds themselves. Within the taste buds, we're going to have the gustatory cells. On the gustatory cells, we're going to have those microvilli that are waiting there with those sensory receptors, just waiting for that tasting or that chemical from a digestive bite of pizza. And then depending as long as the stimulus is strong enough and an action potential occurs, we're going to have those receptor proteins that are going to be they're going to be passed down through the nervous system into our go from gustation to cranial nerve 7, 9, 10 to the brain for interpretation as to what it is that we're actually eating. So tongue, taste papillae, taste bud, gustatory cell, microvilli, receptor proteins. Which of the following papillae contain taste buds? Ooh, great one. Remember, valate, fungiform, and volate. Filiform, no taste receptors, no taste buds. Great example. Identify the structure, your olfactory neuron. So this is your nostril. You inhale Krispy Kreme donuts. You are getting the microscopic particles of that Krispy Kreme donut. It's going to stimulate sensory neurons. You can close your eyes and you can have a memory of taking a bite of a warm and hot and ready donut. You'll get one after this. Identify the fungiform papillae. Now the fungiform papillae are the ones that look like little mushroom caps. They're almost like little, almost balloons, if you will, underneath the tongue. So fungiform, 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 they're scattered throughout the surface of the tongue, all throughout. They're probably the most dispersed taste papillae of the three sensory ones. So fungiform would be letter A. So if we put a marker right here where the little cursor is, identify the structure, cribriform plate, letter E. Identify the structure, cribriform foramina. Identify the bone, ethmoid bone. So cribriform plate, letter E. Great. Okay, this is what I was talking about saying. That's what the microscopic view is going to look like. Hopefully that's what the slide or the picture will look like. So again, you're not going to be responsible to tell me if it's a fungiform, folate, or valate. All you'll have to say is identify the structure, taste buds, right there, scattered throughout, okay? You don't have to tell me the type or anything. Taste bud and you get full credit. Cribriform foramina, again, identify the structure, letter D. So the olfactory nerve literally sits right here. The olfactory neurons pass through that, and that is our ability, into the nostril, and then that's how we're able to smell.